You may have heard car insurance companies are refunding premiums to millions of consumers because of the coronavirus pandemic. But what you may not have heard yet is that some companies are actually trying to raise annual rates. I-Team consumer investigator Randy Mack joins us live from home with what you need to know. And Randy, this is surprising.
It is, Robert. A potential rate increase for auto insurance is really the last thing that anybody wants to hear about right now, especially with so many people hurting financially and losing their jobs, and in many cases, not even driving.
There's no question stay-home orders have resulted in less driving and shorter commutes for essential workers who are on the road. That means there is less risk of accidents right now for drivers. Earlier this month, after Allstate announced a 15% discount on auto premiums through May, several other insurance companies followed suit, and California Insurance Commissioner Ricardo Lara issued an order that all insurance companies have until August to issue partial refunds on premiums to drivers for the months of March and April. But right now, 21 insurance companies currently have requests for rate increases under review by Lara's office. Harvey Rosenfield of Consumer Watchdog Group says the rates we currently pay are based on driving habits that predate COVID-19. And until we have new data on driving behavior and risk, no new rate increases should be approved.
Rates that have been requested but not yet acted upon also reflect pre-pandemic projections of losses and risk. So what we're saying to the commissioner is suspend any proposed rate increases and get to it later after we really know, like let's say September 1 at the earliest or later, after we have a better idea of what people were doing and what the status is of our economy.
In an email to the I-Team regarding the request, the Department of Insurance says Commissioner Lara will not approve any rate that is excessive. He is prepared to order insurance companies to reimburse for May if shelter-in-place rules remain in effect.
Now, the American Property Casualty Insurance Association, which speaks for the industry, released a statement tonight saying in part that now is not the time for arbitrary calls for rate decisions. We urge all stakeholders to support flexibility in the marketplace. The organization also points out that insurance companies are already helping consumers based on data that is occurring as a result of COVID-19. You can see that organization's full statement, plus find out whether or not your insurer is actually seeking a rate increase by going to our website, nbcla.com. You should also know that any rate increase is also subject still to a public hearing. Reporting live in Chino Hills, I'm Randy Mack for NBC4 News.